Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to talk about where Shopify stores the contact form data and where does these emails go. So let's get started. First of all, I have a store here and I'm on the contact page and I'm not using any kind of apps from Shopify store. So this is the basic and native Shopify contact page. So if I just put some email here, let's say email and 123456 phone number, and this is comment. So now if I click send, you can see thanks for contacting us. You can see there is a new item here which is customers in the sidebar. So inside this customer you have segments and companies. So in segments you can see there are some options here. One options here is customers added to companies, customers not added to companies, customers who have purchased at least one, and so on. All the data from this contact page goes directly to your store admin email, which can be found under settings, and if you just go to store details, you will see store email, and under this you will see the email here. If I just go to my inbox here, you can see this is the email or message I have just sent. So this was the message actually. So this contact page or contact form is for your customers to contact with the store owner or whoever is managing the stores. This contact emails is not stored anywhere in the Shopify by default. Well, you have options to store those emails by using any third-party apps from Shopify store. Now moving on to the subscribe to our emails, or this is just email for newsletter subscribers. So whenever I'm putting my email here, if I just click send, you will see a notification here, thanks for subscribing, which means I have already subscribed to this store's newsletter. By giving the email to the store owner, I'm agreeing to get newsletters from this store. Now if I just go back to my Shopify dashboard again, under customer you will have the segment option here. Now if I just go back to email subscriber, you will see my email has been stored under email subscriber. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, please write down in the comment section. I'll get back to you soon. Thank you.